Marble on it has a rocket. Okay, now we can test it out. If we put the marbles in here and then press it, they'll go. Are you ready?
Go!
Wow, look at it go. Look at it going round and round through the rocket. Wow, that's a lot of marbles. Are you ready? Great!
Woo!
1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Whoa, look at that. We have this little cool rocket. Let's just turn it on. There we go. And over here, we have this little hoop where we can shoot the marbles from. Okay, let's try it out. We have marbles, so let's get right to it. 1, 2, go! Uh-oh. There we go. Nice and fixed. Whoa, look at it go. Now down, round, and through the rocket, and yeah. Here it is. Here, let's try it again. Now we can try shooting it. Uh-oh. Let's try again. Surely we can make it this time. The cannon challenge. Itsy, let's try again. I'm sure we can do it this time. One and two. Now let's go. Now we're going to build a new marble run. This is going to be one of the biggest marble runs we've done so far. I hope you're excited. Look at how tall that is. Hooray! We finished! Look at that rocket. Let's just pop it on really quickly. Look! Now we can see all the flashing lights and colours on it. Ta-da! We've got our marbles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Whoa, that's a lot of marbles. Okay, let's see how we do on the marble run. Ready? Go! Whoa! Look at how fast it's going. Oh, it's stuck. Let's help. Oh, let's help it again. And there we go. Now we have to shoot it across the other side.
Woo!
go! Let's try again.
Woo!
Whoa, look at that! That is such a big marble run. We've got a little Ferris wheel to spin the marbles and this machine. Let's turn it on. There we go. Look at all the flashing lights. We've also got this rocket. Whoa, there's so many things. Let's put it to the test. Can't wait. There are marbles. Great. Put some in here. And yeah. Look at how fast that is. Isn't it so cool? Oh, whoa, look at that one go. Now we can shoot from this little rocket. Ready? Go! Oh no! Let's try again. Uh-oh. Ready? Set? Go!
Woo!
And again. Whoa! Let's put this marble at the top on the press and go. Ready? It's going down, down, down and around and down and through the spinny thing. Whoa! Now it's time to shoot it. Ready? Set? Go! Whoa! That was a bit too fast. Let's try again. You ready? Go! Yippee! We made it this time. Now we can shoot it up. Uh-oh. Try again. Whoopsie. Look at this giant Ferris wheel. Up, 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 and down. And now round. And it turns. Whoa, look at that spin. Round and round and round. Bloop. We've got this massive orange slide. Whoa, look at that. Isn't this so cool? I hope you're excited. We've got this awesome race. Look at these two towers. We can launch marbles from them. We've got these awesome slides and a little swirl. Whoa! Lots of turns and slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! They're so speedy. Orange takes a turn, goes straight, and spins. Woohoo! They've reached the end. Let's try again. Last time for a marble run race. You ready? Go! Three, 2, 1, go! Look at all these marbles. There's so many. Whoa! Oh, quickly, let's fix that. There we go. We've got 1, 2, 3 marbles. Oh, we've got to turn our Ferris wheel on first. Great, now let's turn on the rocket. Woohoo! lastly, this machine. Look at the flashing lights. We've got red, blue, green, and yellow. Woohoo! Let's test out the slide. Whoa! One, two, three. Are you ready? Go! Great, now let's faster all the way up this red slide. Whoa, that went a bit too fast. Now let's put it here. Go! Whoa, look at that. They're so fast. One more time. This red marble is going round and round on the Ferris wheel. Let's see which way it goes. Left to right. Went right. Now we get to see which way it goes again. Whoa. And it went left